and gingerbread, bring you tea and bed on a tray.
We'll slave while you go fishing. You'll get permission to run and play.
These tears ought to show you I care. Come back.
By cracky, we'll share the happiest home in these hills, in these hills. Gonna snag him, gag him, drag him through town, put his head in the river, let the pup drown. Trap him, strap him, wrap him in a sack, yeah! Tie him screaming to a railroad track.
We'll have you sing in chapel. You'll be the apple of Mama's eye.
I'll tend to all your sewing and do your mowing, so just rely on me.
Dang, we know you're out there, it's late. We're waiting to share the happiest home in these hills, in these hills. Gonna paw him, claw him, saw him in half. When he cries out for mercy, we'll just laugh. Beat him, heat him, eat him for dessert, yeah!
Roast him gently so the flames won't hurt. Spread out! You'll swim and you'll go camping. You'll be a champ in your own backyard.
Our love is overflowing, it keeps on growing. We'll sleep good knowing you're home.
In these hills.
We're gonna swing him from a tree.
In these hills.
We're gonna sting him like a bee.
In these hills.
We're gonna spill him on his head.
In these hills.
We're gonna fill him full of lead.
In these hills.
In these hills.